Psychology facts about human behavior. Your brain pays less attention. Stopping during fear and anxiety during intercourse. A female orgasm is a trigger for women more likely to cheat on their partners when they are. Ovular females reach their climax. Get pleasure from masturbation instead. Penetration just because of it. Like a good masturbator you can. Be encouraged. People have all kinds of clitorises. Nickname of clitoris the Cenomanian. I have made even the bed of roses a bell of joy. Grams and lentils are things that some women like to touch. Gentle and very loving towards others. No wonder about sex. After strong orgasms in midlife and menopause, the clitoris can be 2.5 times larger in the same woman. Orgasm leads to being well hydrated. Better orgasms are more physically fluid. Every woman has a unique sense of how her nerve endings are distributed. Its organs have different nerve endings. Every woman's vagina is different. Snowflake women have two erogenous zones. If you want to detect the cervix, spot, and opening. The term clitoris refers to the clitoris and the vulva that covers the vagina. It has 9,000 sensitive nerve endings. Double the number of nerve endings in the penis from 5 to clitoral orgasm. Make us contractions up to 15 and last 10 to 30 seconds. If your wife always remembers present things from the past in as much detail as possible. Don't worry, it happens to normal women. Enhanced memory is the visual ability of the brain or is also activated during ASM. Activated when females have to eat. Desire to study at Indiana University. Not using a condom affects the production of orgasms. Condoms are likely to be stored in a wallet for more than a month. Breakthrough. A study found that 90% of adults in England are emotionally connected to good sexual brain regions. Any kind of sexual interaction in the office evokes ginger feelings. Excitement increases your heart rate, gets your blood flowing, and excites you. The next night we automatically follow those who smell nice and rich. There is no excuse for being attractive. Condom use and the risk of STDs do not benefit the man. Any woman is thinking, try it. What to do and what not to do tomorrow. Now women start focusing on orgasm. In women, the mind in sexual relations is not frequent sex and orgasms. Doctors prescribe, but they practice. By directly boosting the immune system, studies show that masturbation can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes in women. Unlike men, they need at least 15 minutes to climax. An Italian study encouraged women on the pill to try it. Slipping and having sex. Add them. Libido. About 75% of respondents would like to have sex at least 3 times. A recent vanity survey in Denmark on Saturday revealed that 55% of women don't have as much sex as they'd really like. The average length of the vagina is 3 to 4 centimeters, but sexually dilated up to 200%. Increased libido is one of them. Raspberry, known as female ejaculation or better squirt, is not a citizen. Legend claims that many women this experience when not masturbating with a man during orgasm. A woman releases a famous and valuable hormone. Endorphin is known as a happy hormone. The hormone also helps to relax, physical and emotional. 85% of Americans have arthritis. Don't talk about sex. What do you like and what is boring sex with them? The clitoris never stops growing in your 30s, and it's 4 times bigger. It is actually the sexiest place in Greece, and the size of the erectile dysfunction, although many people believe that corresponds to the size of the penis. Foot size is nothing. Suppose the multiple is only 40% male and 35% female. He had sex once a week because he worked. They have long hours. The more jobs you have, the more jobs you have. You have stress and you have more stress. For the majority, there is less sex. Women's sex starts before sex, so don't do it. Just focus on getting it on all fours. Think first how to encourage it, which is statistically 80%. Anorgasmic women are those who have never experienced an orgasm. Live, did you know that 97% of women in the world choose a man as their partner? A bad woman has sides. A psychology that is not yet complete. Sex positions are a mystery to women. Men have sex after going to the gym. A good idea. Exercise increases blood flow. Increase in genital areas and testosterone. 7 out of 10 women have the same level as men. They meet online and everyone admits 30% of people under 40 regret it. Check their social media right after. 20% of people under the age of 35 use them during sex. Men under 40 take about 10 seconds during cell phone sex. Erectile dysfunction without achieving these 3 sexual positions. You're more likely to orgasm. Cowgirl. Cowgirl, this move puts you in. The control allows you to mix depth between shallow and deep thrusts to help charge speed and trigger different fronts. The 3rd largest of your vagina. Sensitive dog posterior access allows the tip of the penis, which is covered in nerves, to touch your cervix. Finally, slowly and gently push her into missionary intimacy. You can look each other in the eye and make more skin-to-skin contact. You'll also enjoy the friction. You have her clitoris on her pelvis. Which of these facts do you talk about? Please like and subscribe this video by sharing with us in the comments below. Looking forward to more. Thanks.